And you want me to mention that we're going on the theater tour? Is it a theater? I think it's a theater. Yeah, theater tour. We're waiting in the gift shop.
And it was composed, for example, in 90 days. If you don't know, listen to it. Really beautiful music. And Smetana died on the 12th of May, 1880. But the tables are original, and it is the marble here. It is the natural marble. Do you like it here? Yeah. Beautiful. And this all is for us very important because here was declared the Czechoslovakia. 28th of October 1918. So the next week is the foil. At the end, the symbol of death. Can you see? And in the middle, it is Roman. Our life is real Pulaski, and then paintings were painted by young Prague. In the 15th century, and opposite, it was the Comenius, teacher of nations. So it was the time of the 30 Years' War, very hard time. Next to him, the family of Bernstein. They are now for Czech people, but a very important position. And it was the performance Gismond. And
this is day 11 or 12 in Prague, and we've made our way over to this cemetery. I'll put the name of the cemetery on the screen because there's no way I can pronounce this. But anyway, this cemetery was founded back in 1780, I believe, and there are 110,000 grave sites, but they estimate that 2 million people are buried here. And it's pretty overgrown in some sections, and there are ambulances whizzing by. Anyway, there are signs that you can donate to help save some of the memorable or the important gravestones here in the cemetery. So this is day 12 or 13 here in Prague. It's beautiful out, so we decided to come to the racetrack and bet on the ponies. So hopefully we'll win. Keep our fingers crossed the whole day. 50 crowns on each. Actually, 11 would be a better win just because it's a higher odds.
I didn't see him. What did he finish?
We did not win. Day 12 or 13 here in Prague. We spent 742 crowns, which is roughly 32 US, and this is what we got.
We've been in Prague 2 weeks. Today is October the 23rd. It is about 60, 62 degrees, really nice out. Today we're going to walk up Petrin Park, up the hill. They've got a funicular, but it's closed this week for reasons unknown. But our monthly pass would cover it, but with it being closed, I'm making Stephanie walk it. So let's go up.
Yeah, I'm not real happy about that, but we'll do it. It's very windy. So we hiked all the way up to see the Letna, probably pronouncing that wrong. I'll put the spelling on the screen below. Anyway, we went up in this thing. We climbed it back in 2014, so we didn't do it today. But if you come here, it will cost you 220 crowns to climb up, or you can pay an additional 150 lift surcharge and take the elevator up, which is what I would do. But I don't like heights and definitely don't like stairs. This is the Hunger Wall in Petrin Park, and it was built in 1360 and has been repaired several times since then. There's the beer garden. So we came to the monastery at Petrin Hill, and a lot of the exhibits are closed, so we're just walking around on the outside. I heard about this beer garden in Prague called Letna Park Beer Garden. We are on our way there now, and it is up a lot of stairs. So we are along the top of Letna Park, walking and trying to find the beer garden. It's pretty expansive. Quite a few people here for a Monday afternoon. There are spots where you have really fantastic views of the city. So we are at the beer garden. It's a Monday, about 4 o'clock, so it's not too busy. We have 2 beers that cost $234. That includes $100 deposit to take the glasses back. But a pretty good view. I hope you like this week's video. Come back each and every Thursday to see where our adventures take us next. Check out our blog at slowtravelchronicles.com, and as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all of the things. It really does help our channel out. We hope you have a great week, and we'll see you next Thursday.